In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-fit columns in Excel. If you've ever typed a value and watched it spill past the edge of a cell, you know how useful column autofit can be. Instead of double-clicking each column boundary over and over, we'll set up Excel to resize your columns automatically as you work, using a tiny bit of worksheet code. Don't worry, this is quick, safe, and easy to follow. Start in your workbook and look at the Sheet tab along the bottom, the one that shows the sheet's name. Right-click that Sheet tab. In the menu that appears, choose View Code. This opens the Visual Basic Editor directly to the code module for that specific sheet, which is exactly where we want this behavior to live. At the top of the code window, you'll see two small drop-down menus. The one on the left usually says General by default. Click that left drop-down and change it to Worksheet. Excel will create a procedure stub for you, showing a line that begins with private sub and a matching end subline below. You don't have to change the event selection on the right. The default it inserts is fine for this setup. Place your cursor between those two lines so you're ready to add one instruction. Now type this exactly, using dots between the words, cell's entire column auto-fit. That's the entire command. You might see the text auto-capitalize as you type, which is a good sign that Excel recognizes it. What this line tells Excel is simple. Whenever the worksheet event fires, resize every column to fit the widest content currently in that column. Switch back to your sheet and start typing in any cell. As you enter or move around your data, you'll see the columns adjust themselves automatically to fit what you've added. No more clipped labels, no more guessing widths. Your sheet stays readable as you go. A few quick notes to help you get the most from this. Autofit makes each column as wide as its longest visible entry, so very long text will make a column wide. If that happens, consider shortening those entries or using wrap text for better layout. Because this code sits in the sheet's own code module, the behavior applies only to that sheet. If you want the same behavior on another sheet, repeat these steps on that sheet's tab. And if you're working with very large data sets, be aware that frequent resizing can feel a bit slower. That's normal when many columns are being evaluated at once. That's it. Your columns now keep themselves tidy while you focus on your data.